me at Intimate.
How to improve CV. Curriculum vitae. It's the predominant element for every job-seeking candidate. CV plays a most significant role in candidate selection in the interview. Do you know? Recruiters look at a CV for just about 6 seconds to decide your future. That sounds bitter, right? Though it seems unfair, you must be ready to face the challenge and attract the recruiter in a fraction of seconds. Besides, nowadays many recruiters are utilizing the ATS software which tracks the applicant's CV. The fact that 75% of job applications are rejected before it reaches human eye. You should not allow robots to stand in the path of your dream job. Are you worried about how to overwhelm these hurdles and get selected by the recruiters? Don't worry. Today, in Hint to Mint, we are going to discuss various techniques to improve your CV. Make perfectly in advance. It's a good idea to prepare your CV in advance of seeing any job openings so that you don't have to dash off. You can build and tailor the CV for each opportunity with no further work. Show your achievements. Showing your accomplishments could make the discrepancy between attending an interview and waiting at home. In the employment details, don't simply reiterate your task list. Instead, reinforce tangible outcomes to your contributions through the links to portfolio and projects. Highlight important information. As you have measly few seconds to make a positive notion, you need to prepare an effortlessly admissible CV. Your name, followed by your professional title at the top of the document, could introduce the entire document in seconds. Also, a perfect CV employs tailored headings for each segment. Optimizing them to a proper layout brings the most essential competencies to the prominence position. Social media and online platforms. You must include your social media accounts only if they are professionally relevant. Personal websites or online portfolios of your work should be incorporated if they would bolster your CV. One social media account that you ought to include is LinkedIn profile. If you don't have yet, it's high time to create an account. Personal statement. It is the most excellent attempt to include an objective on your CV, summarizing your aspirations and prospects for a new role. Your statement of CV should spotlight on what you can contribute to a company rather than what you need from it. The target of this objective statement is to introduce yourself to the recruiter through a concise statement of what exactly you do. Mention your industry, experience level, USP, strengths, and achievements. Ensure that you have aligned this section aptly corresponding to your experience. Startling vocabulary and action verbs. Your word choice can substantially enhance the power of your CV. Consider high-impact verbs such as performed, managed, achieved, delivered, succeed, pioneered, oversaw, led, coordinated, enabled, and others. Start each bullet or sentence with a different action verb. Appropriate length. A fresh graduate with no experience in the industry should make a one-page CV, while an experienced person can prepare a two-page CV. Three-page CVs are generally recommended to board-level professionals and in few cases contractors. Tailoring your CV. When you are planning to submit an application for a job, start by interpreting the job requirements carefully. Pinpoint requirements of the listing that fit your experience and skills. Now, highlight those elements which will show recruiters that you are qualified for the role they are looking for. Boost your CV for ATS. To make your CV ATS friendly, you should follow some best practices like avoid embedded illustrations, custom fonts, and usual CV models. This may not be tracked and rejected by applicant tracking software. Don't mention personal details such as your name, email address, and phone number in the header or footer of your CV file. Optimize with keywords that you can find in the requirements of the job, especially in the key skills and employment sections. Save your CV in plain text rather than PDF format. Highlight your language skills. Include these details of language you are fluent on your CV. These abilities are often deemed desirable to companies and can distinguish you from other candidates. List each language with your proficiency level like proficient, fluent, native speaker, etc. at bottom of your CV. Share your philanthropic activities. Recruiters look positively upon candidates who are energetically engaged in volunteering, monitoring, or other non-profit work. If you don't have any experience of internship or you have opted to engage in a role that's not associated with your field of study, you would better consider finding a skill-based volunteer job. Include interesting hobbies. Illustrate hobbies that determine your credential for the job or else if they are unique and creative. The category of hobbies can be a fascinating conversation starter during the interview. Proofread. Though you have perhaps heard this every time, you must make sure you have proofread your CV for transparency, grammar, and spelling. Mistakes will send out your CV into the trash can. So, what are you waiting for? Optimize and improve your CV and get selected in your dream companies.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Hint to Mint. Also, don't forget to comment in the comment section below if there's any particular topic on which you want us to make videos. Till then, adios.